रोड ट्रिप्स, लाइफ के कुछ ऐसे पल जो हमें जिंदगी से और भी करीब ले आते हैं। तो चलिए आज हम आपको मिलाते हैं मिस्टर अजय से, जिन्होंने अपना ड्रीम रोड ट्रिप फ्रॉम इंडिया टू थाईलैंड हाल ही में कंप्लीट किया।
Hi, I'm Kanabadosh Ajay. I'm here to share my road to Thailand expedition with you, covering 9,000 kilometers for 20 days for 5 countries. And I'm here to share my knowledge and experiences about the journey. Here's my story. Hi, I recently did my road to Thailand expedition in the month of September, covering 5 countries, traveling all together 9,000 kilometers for 20 days.
अजय बैंक में एक 9 to 5 की नौकरी करने वाला आप ही के जैसा एक आम आदमी है, जिन्हें अपने सपनों को सफल होते देखना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है। And this journey from India to Thailand has not only made him bold, but also made him aware and learn about so many things that life has to offer while traveling.
Started my journey from a Bagdogra, that's Siliguri one, covering Bhutan. So 3 days I covered Bhutan. So after Bhutan, I did Myanmar through northeast terrains. That's through Nagaland, Manipur, Imphal, Kohima. And then to cross Myanmar, it took 4 days to Thailand, Mae-Sot border. Reaching to Thailand, I stayed in Bangkok for 2 days, and then we went for a leisure trip to Krabi, Phuket through ferry and all.
Ajay loves to drive and has traveled to a lot of places across India with his wife. और जब वो सफ़र करते गए, his dream to drive to Thailand became even stronger. And he also calls this journey their van life.
My wife and then I've been driving to these expeditions from last 3-4 years, and then we've been to Ladakh, to Kashmir, and then to Cherrapunji, Shillong. These are the beautiful countries. And then the one thing which we thought, being in India also, that the places, the people, those who travel are not keeping the cities and then the places clean enough, right? They've been honking on the roads, and also when we thought of these expeditions, we thought very clearly that our van life will be even spreading the thing about responsible van life. How you can travel without honking on a road for 20 days, traveling 9,000 kilometers without using plastics.
उन्होंने मैप रूट के कटआउट्स बनाए, स्टिकर्स डाले और बहुत कुछ किया। But to make sure that the journey is stress-free, the documents, visa, permits need to be in check.
To really research well and in these kind of an expedition, so one is the passion, right? So first, besides passion, you need to really know the places where you are going. So research, read articles, go through the government sites and the embassy sites, reach out to them, what all the information they require. For me, planning these road to Thailand, so I went on to good research. First of all, you need to have a well prepared itinerary, right? So for each countries, what is the mode of transportation, where are you staying, and then what are the dates from the beginning and then to end points and all. And then again the visas for these countries. Suppose I've covered 4 countries, then Bhutan doesn't require a visa for India, so one can get visa on arrival. And then on Myanmar side, you don't get visa on arrival, so you need to plan that ahead. So visas can be done, then e-visas on the line only. So that's a kind of a week's process. It comes out at around $50 for one single entry visa, and then if you need an express visa within 24 hours, that will cost you $10 more. That's $60. And then again, Thailand was offering at that point in time a free visa on arrival. So I was lucky enough to have my expedition between that period. After visa, then there are permits for these countries. Like for Bhutan, if all you are taking your own vehicles, you need to get a registration done for your local registration from their RTO office. Once you get a permit of yours, then you can go to their RTO office, you can get your permits. That's a 2 hours procedure. Once your itinerary is prepared, your visas are done, you need to approach a local guy there who will take a permission from their land and transport and then hotel ministry to get the permits for your vehicle arranged for them. So you need to have your local registration for your car. So that in itself takes 30 days. So one needs to keep that in mind. So then the next important procedure once you are done with the visas and the permits is the carnet the passage. That's the most important documents when you are traveling from your own vehicle to the cross borders. So that can be processed through WIAA. There's a Western Indian Automobiles Association based out of Bombay at Churchgate. So that also typically takes a week's time, and depending upon your group size. If you are driving a solo, you are driving in a group, so carnet fee can be varied.
Ajay has had a lot of good memories with this journey, along with the people he met on the way who also inspired him a lot. पर उन्हें ड्राइव करते समय रास्ते में थोड़ी तकलीफ भी हुई, एज नॉर्थ ईस्ट के रास्ते थोड़े रॉकी और अनइवन थे और ड्राइव करना उतना ही मुश्किल था, which made him delay his journey by 1 whole day.
For me, it's not the destination which really inspires me. These journeys, going to places, these inspires. Bangkok or Myanmar could be a destination, but again, steering to that place really inspires me a lot. So we really had a good time experiencing these countries, their local cuisines, their food, their people, their stays, and so it was really good.
अजय का इनिशियल प्लान तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ ये सफ़र को कंप्लीट करना था, लेकिन हाई कॉस्ट एंड इंक्रीजिंग बजट्स की वजह से स्लोली हिज फ्रेंड्स स्टार्टेड बैकिंग आउट. और ये टाइम था जब अजय एक्चुअली थॉट टू हिमसेल्फ वेदर ही शुड गो अहेड विद इट और नो, लेकिन उनके विल पावर और वाइफ के सपोर्ट के साथ दिस जर्नी वाज पॉसिबल.
My expense on this entire 20 days expedition was around 5 lakh rupees. So, but again, so one can really curtail it down to somewhere around 4 lakh also. But since we added Bhutan, so anything. So again, if one wants to do expedition to Thailand, they need not to go to Bhutan. So they can start from Guwahati and then this Myanmar, Thailand, and then they can add to Cambodia, Laos and all. So depending upon their personal choices also, but it's doable. Per person can cost you around 2 lakh rupees kind of an expense and all. Experience doesn't have a cost, so one really need to venture out on these unplugged expeditions, can explore the places, because we live for these moments only, and then these gives you enough kind of reboot you enough to take again another leap for your life.